If you ever wondered what marketing is and how does it works and how does it applies to your business, so you are at the correct place. Watch this video carefully because I will be breaking down what marketing is, what are the elements of marketing, and how a good marketing technique can completely change your business. Hi, I'm Utkarsh. I have 8 years of experience in marketing. When I first got interested in why do people act in a certain way and do certain things, I got my first exposure towards marketing. Marketing influences and persuades human behavior. And if you're a business owner or not, marketing is a big part of your life. Whenever someone is trying to persuade you, he is using marketing on you. You should understand marketing because you are constantly being marketed by brands and everybody around you. From someone trying to sell a pair of scissors to someone trying to sell a house, all these activities require marketing. So first, let's understand what marketing is not. Advertising is not marketing, it is an element of marketing, and there are many types of elements in marketing such as social media marketing, digital marketing, content creation, search engine optimization. Saying that marketing is just advertising is stereotyping marketing. For example, you can stereotype HR as saying that HR is just hiring, or you can stereotype finance by saying that finance is just loans. So question is, what is marketing? Marketing consists of 4 P's: product, place, price, and promotion. Product is the details of the product that is being sold. Price is the price of the product. Place is where the product is being sold. And promotion is the channel through which the product is being sold. Marketing in a basic sense is communicating value towards your customers. Marketing helps people solve their problems by clearly defining the problems and providing solutions to the customers. Marketing is about connecting with people and understanding their pain points so that you can position your service or product as the solution. Generally, products which have good marketing practices win over products which are good. So this is marketing. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you want more content like this. Thank you and have a great day.